So friends, today we are going to brush up the Redmi Note 10 Pro suite. Here I have it. So currently I am in the latest MIUI 13, which is official Indian version. So I'm not seemingly having any MIUI 14 update anytime soon. So today I am going to install the MIUI 14 on this device. So there are two versions of MIUI 14. One is this MIUI ERIS version 4 Reborn. So this seems to be fine. There are a lot of updates and Monet is there. So I don't like that color. So I will try to flash that also. Procedures are not mentioned in the post. So I am opening this one. So use latest Orange Fox recovery, reboot to recovery, wipe Dalvik cache and data, flash ROM, flash Magis is optional, format data, reboot. Okay, so this is the procedure, and I already have the files with me. So here I have this global, whichever is there. It is a dev version, developer version of this one. MIUI 14, which I am not going to install because it is a safety net is not passed something it is mentioned. So I am going to try this one. So yeah, somebody would have already tried it because it is April 8th it came. It is almost 16th. So today I'm going to install this. I already have the files with me. Also I have the latest Orange Fox recovery with me. So first I will have to install TWRP. From TWRP I will install this Orange Fox recovery. Also I have already unlocked the bootloader. So the first thing is I have to open the ADB fastboot tool. Here we have that one. I need a new one. So latest one is in here. I'll open here in CMD. Okay, so here we have this fastboot and this one. So from here I'll just turn this off, this device. This one, whichever I am shooting this camera, this one, it is in the Note 11 MIUI 13, again official Me camera. So see how worst the camera is in this one. So I'm going to hold both the volume down and power. Once it vibrates, I need to leave it. Yeah, so it didn't vibrate, so that's fine. I'll connect this USB. Now the device is in fast boot. So what I have to do here, I have to type fast boot devices. So the device is connected successfully. So from here to move further, I have to install this TWRP. So how I am going to install? Well, the procedure is simple. So I'll just fast boot and then I'll just flash this TWRP. Also the device is currently in encrypted state. So for that reason I have to what I would say, I have to format the data as well. So we are right now in the TWRP. Yeah, you are unable to see it, right? So I'll just format data and then type yes. So before doing this, backup all your data because your data will be wiped. So now it is done, and what I do is I'll just reboot to bootloader so that I can boot into TWRP again using same method. So fast boot this one and sweet. Okay, now again I have booted. Now it is time to install this Orange Fox recovery. If the storage is working, I'll use the this yeah, storage is working, so I'll use copy paste this one and I'll go in. So storage is not seems to be working, so I'll use ADB sideload method. So how to do that? Go to advanced and ADB sideload, wipe cache and Dalvik. Yeah, I guess that would be fine. So ADB sideload is started in the tool. What I have to do is ADB sideload, and then I have to drag and drop this. Not this one. I need the latest one. So latest one is where it is inside this custom ROM folder, and then MIUI 14. Here I have the latest Orange Fox. So I leave all the link in the description of this video. So yeah. So by the time it is running, so we have our Telegram community where we are collecting similar-minded people. Currently, some 180 members are there. So if you want to join in our Telegram group, if you are already using Telegram, then only you can just simply join in our Telegram group. That will be supportive. In future, I'm having some other ideas to make it. So we will try to do it in this through this community. You also, yeah, join the community, guys. So now this Orange Fox is installed. See how many comments are there. Here also Orange Fox is done. So um, internal storage also visible, and here I'm still unable to find the device, but that is fine. So the procedures are suggesting to use latest recovery. Okay, reboot to recovery, wipe Dalvik cache and data. So that I have to do now. Go here, wipe Dalvik data and cache, and then do it. Okay. And then what we need to flash the ROM. Unfortunately, the storage is not working, right? So because we are unable to find this in here. So for that reason, what I do is here also I will use the ADB sideload method. So ADB and sideload, and after that we need to do formata, only format data, so that is not required. Still we can do this one. Okay, it's not required, it's port ROM. So yeah, I'll just start the sideload. So now in this one, I'll do ADB sideload again, but this time we are going to sideload this MIUI ROM. What I have done, just we have closed. I'll just open that folder quickly. Custom ROM. This one, okay. So here I'll just drag and drop this ribbon. So this is almost 2.97 GB, and the normal one is 2.5 GB. So that is fine. And I'll just drag and drop this one and do this one. So these packages are now getting installed. It takes some time. So after this, what I do is I'll just format the data, and once it is formatted, instead of reboot, I will just remove this. I will install this Monet Remover, so that that some yellow color shade will be there, the biscuit color shade, so that won't be there. That is, Monet is one of the theme engine, I guess. Monet is a project brings wallpaper based dynamic theme to MIUI system. So that I don't want. Here they have this community. One time, in some time we will try what is exactly Monet and other things. See, like this theme based. This one is there no icons. This one. So this kind of packages which will get installed. Yeah, today I want the same normal MIUI, so I'm just going to uninstall this one, but it still looks good, to be honest. If you want Monet, you can simply just format data, and then you can go ahead and reboot. I'm just doing that one extra step to remove that Monet. Also, in our YouTube community tab, I have updated a post for same Note 10 Pro users, whether you want to see MIUI 14 port installation or this one. But actually, I I'm recording this MIUI port video now without even seeing this one. But still, we'll see how many of you are actually voting for MIUI 14 port, because after this MIUI 14 port and I have to review it. So I don't know how long it is going to take. So after reviewing it again, I have to install this Oxygen OS. Weeks, months, God only knows. But still, yeah, I just want to see how many of you actually interested, because I'm seeing lot of what I would say, lot of interest in MIUI 14. I don't know why you guys like MIUI MIUI 14, but yeah. So what I can do? You guys are asking. So I have to do that, no? So yeah, do what your answers. I just want to. So it is now done. So yeah. Also, I'll just before formatting itself, I will try to do it. ADB side load, and then I'll just okay. So here we have this one, and I'll just do this Monet Remover ADB side load, and I'm going to side load this Monet removal. This one. Okay, here I have to enable this side load, right? Again, I have to initiate this ADB side load. So ADB side load is initiated. I'll use this command. Yeah, Monet is now removed. So now it is just a matter of what I would say, matter of formatting the data. So where I can format here, format data, I'll type yes. So again, all your storage will be gone. So before even start proceeding with this steps, make sure you have a backup of all your data. So now it is time, it's time to reboot the system. See, Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. It is not at all Max. This one also has changed now. What it is that power and display. Also that unlock symbol will show. So that one also has changed. The first thing that I have to want to test is this MIUI camera. So how it is performing. So they said 5 to 10 minutes. So I don't think 5 minutes I can record. Oh yeah, it is loading now. So MIUI ERIS, so unable to proceed, failed to initiate SMS, please try again. So here there is one guy wrote a full review of this one. That is great. I also have to put a SIM and check. So I'll just remove the SIM card from my Realme pair. This takes a lot of time. And nowadays all my videos are this, especially these installation videos, taking a lot of time. Okay, now it is booted to MIRIS. So we are in India. So I'll try India. I'll also connect my network. Okay. Next, I'll say I can't use old device. So the procedure is also already getting this one. So the same backup. I'll also try whether fingerprint and all the things are working. Pattern. So yeah, seems to be working fine. This fingerprint and all. I also wanted to test this face unlock, but okay. So MIUA daemon permission. Okay, this and all automatically turned off. That is great. These guys just did edited some things inside inside this ROM and all. So full gesture and no need to learn. Man, it is fine, man. I already know, man. One more time, okay, it is helpful. Okay, so finally we are in the MIUI 14. So this is the one actually looks like my iPhone. So it's just a copy of iPhone or something. So I'll just keep these things and all inside this one. And Y4 in the so yeah, we have booted into MIUI 14. I can remove this one now. So now we'll go inside. So it is taking some time. So they said give some 5 to some hours they have said. So we'll give till that time 6 hours or something. So and note this one 87G detailed spec info. So here if I click that 14 is not coming, which usually show, right? Maybe here I have to click. Android 13 based one. The security patch is again February 2023 security patch. It's not a new one. Also, that MIUI 14 logo is not coming, but still that is fine, I guess. So yeah, also my device is I don't think it is a 6 GB device. Um, Maybe I don't know what specific device I bought. So now this one is done. Also, it is not 108 megapixel, right? So it is 64 megapixel. So it is considering my device is like Note 10 Pro. But just to check this camera, how it is actually going. Okay, we still have this Leica vibrant and authentic flavors. So natural and realistic. We'll download this plugin also. HDR is turned on off under this one. So on the 2x 0.6 on video modes, we have 4K 60, sorry 4K 30, this 60 and all blank. So 4K 60, sorry 4K 30. Also we don't have 1080 60 also. So here you can see only we have 720 and 30 and this one. Why it is like that, I don't know. Maybe due to because HDR video, yeah, due because of this HDR option enabled, it is only showing that particular options. Let us try 4K 60 first. Let us try 4K 30 whether it's perfectly working or not. Yeah, seems to be fine. This one playing also fine. So what is the option we need to check, right? So it is recorded in 4K, but not sure it is 30 fps or 60 fps, but still it is 4K. Let us try 4K 60. So yeah, 4K 60 is not happening because it is I guess converted from higher end model. So there it may be supported. So I have to now format the storage or something. So um, app info, this one, clear data, clear all data, yes. So also we have a lot of different modes. We have to check one by one whether those are working or not. In the front camera, um, we have 1080. We have 1080 60. It looks like 60 fps. So that is there, I guess. So okay, 1080 24. This one. Currently, this is turned on with HDR. So we'll try whether that HDR option is working. So this HDR option also working. So here it is not mentioning, but still HDR is working. So these two methods are working. Also, it has some sort of stabilization, I guess. So now the stabilization little bit increased. So, but it will have some sort of jittering effect. So that would be there. And yeah, night mode. How the portrait? Portrait mostly won't work, right? But yeah, here portrait also working. The edges are fine, I would say. So but I still have to extensively test whether all the things are working fine or not. So yeah, that's about this camera, and we have other things also which we will see in the full review. So as of now, this one is little bit clean when compared to normal MIUI, because there are a lot of apps it's not there, that TikTok and other things and all, not touching area something, TikTok like video apps, only some basic this and all installed by me. and Facebook, and it is there. Okay, water music. Okay, it's still there. So yeah. So yeah, guys, that is what about this installation and quick look of this MIUI 14. So thank you for watching. Hot Matov.